Coming up tonight, the Prime Minister accepts traditional apology from the people of Laos, Vodafone 3G network to bring better mobile services to the people in the north, and the Prime Minister accepts Netball Fiji's Itatau on behalf of Fiji. Good evening, you're watching Fiji Today on MyTV. I'm Nemani Turangaivu. The Chifli Wonirewa clan traditionally apologized to the Prime Minister Commodore Vurenge Bainimarama in Lakemba last week. The traditional Vaka Mataningasau, together with the Vaka Sombu, or traditional welcome, was accorded to the Prime Minister by a delegation from the Chifli clan at Lakemba Wharf. The island men sat in a solemn group towards the end of the wharf where the RFNS Kiru was berthed and where the PM was disembarked. The gathering symbolized a humble apologetic peace offering from the Vanua of Laos to the government.
Lelai sama ibu demburi tiga anu muni serah. Kemenangan aku ni sarai rong tiga ni. Rong vika ya tiga na ni anu go. Kasa. Kini anu muni bandu go. Wasa kana nama teningasam.
Nak binasa.
Ya binasa ni busota. Ibu sedikit mamin di busota na banua. Dina ni abu bal. Itunde tunga na banua. Katunde tunga kina veli utaki pamutentu. Bisa gelas autigo. Na vinaka ni matentu. Vika engara botio indendai kima mikila. Kima marokin. Kima mikila dal tunga. Ni lesi. Ni matentu ni veli utaki. Ai lesi ni kalau. Dia ada sanggata tunga na kalau. Kima mikila tu kina ike marau kina. Ilago tikumai kima mikila tu ni lago tikumai. Ni lulu ni matentu. Nona bending ta kina kalu. Kira sa tu kina na bebusot. Kile buna kai el takapo tikuna bono gola kem. Karon rong dak kasaka nu elbuna nu posot tikitu. Kem. Tu na bebe kani. Pondra tu talanga na bebe kan votura. Sa marau juga kina na matakan tintang ni kun sa ayat mai mamkila tu ni kun ni fosoti ke mam kun ni alulom ni reida na bonua ni reidi ke mam na leon bonua bo ni natal tunga na polilis nu ni polilis bom tentu no rayang tu ni mam bonua.
Reverend Longavatu said they were saddened that their Vanua was linked to the recent destabilizing events of national implications. Fijian fugitive Ratu Tevi Tamara hailed from the Wanirewa clan of the Tuinayao. Commodore Bainimarama willingly accepted the apology, saying that it was time to put the past behind and move ahead as a nation.
Na vital ni mataningasau sa binatag wala usa tingom. Chungan ni kuso ni kawe kinabulib.
Nak.
Natal namanya tu natabira kawasa rongo tu na bosan ni kamnang. Aku tu lebih nabi tal no nak tu nabi kena nalang kami tos tu ngali. Ni kelabna nama ten tunggu sing maten tu ni abala ceraro. Na rada ni biwa tur kita kena tosunga. Yo musik itu tu ngana bawa bibi nak liu. Ndu sama ikinta bawa tu nama takana matani ko na del ni bawa lagi mana.
The Prime Minister Commodore Vurenge Bainimarama will launch the 3G mobile services for Vodafone in Lambasa on Wednesday. The 3G network will now allow Lambasa and parts of the Northern Division mobile services like mainland Viti Levu. These services include video conferencing, high-speed internet, and interactive messaging via mobile phones. This is a major boost for the Northern Division and works in line with government's Northern Development plans in the hope of revitalizing the Northern economy. After the break, the Prime Minister says the government is working on improving shipping services in Laos and 8,000 persons have vision impairments in the country.